Hello there, nice slice here, coming at you from beautiful British Columbia, Canada. True north, strong and free. Well, this is a shopping bag that I purchased from Groman Knives in Nova Scotia, Canada. This is a product that is Elwood K-Slice approved, I'm sure. I picked up 5 of these bags so that I could do my shopping in style. They were only a few cents each, 85 cents I think each. So I picked up 5 of those. So just a few short weeks ago, I didn't own any Groman knives, and I picked up this one off of Craigslist with the Boker at the same time. I did show you guys this knife not that long ago. This is the 101 Skinner. Trying to get my camera to focus in. There we go. This has the rosewood handle, brass rivets, lanyard hole. See, not lined. There's no tube in there, just a hole through the tang and through the handle. Saber grind on this blade. This is the stainless. Groman, Pictou, Nova Scotia, Canada. I believe this is an older model. It doesn't have the model number on there. I've been trying to find some info on how to date these Groman knives, but I can't find a lot out there. If anybody else knows, please let me know. And I got to tell you, as soon as I put this in my hand, I fell in love with that Groman. And just dropped one. I ordered myself this beautiful, beautiful knife. This is offered on their website as a factory second. That's what the S stands for. I did a video on this not long ago, just a couple weeks ago. But anybody who didn't see it, this is the water buffalo handle. And it is just beautiful, gorgeous. Again, brass pins, but the lanyard hole on this one has a copper tube. Looks fantastic against the black of the water buffalo. And there, this is a flat grind, leaf-shaped blade. There it is, the carbon blade on this one, carbon steel. Groman DH Russell #1. It's the original #1 belt knife design with the water buffalo handle. Fantastic. It also comes with a very high quality leather sheath. Friction fit. This one has the stitched belt loop on it. And it as well has the S stamped into it, because they will not provide warranty work on their seconds, as the seconds are sold at steep discount, I believe 50%. Which, if you know me, you watch my channel, you'll know I don't like to pay full retail for anything. So this one, along with another knife, I paid nothing basically for this one. This was thrown in as an extra. This one, half price. I think I paid total with shipping from the other end of the country. I paid like $100 for that knife. Pretty happy with that. And then I had to get myself another one. I'm on a Groman kick, what can I say? It's like when I first discovered online knife shopping. It grabbed a hold of me and hasn't left since. Could be the same with these Groman knives. So this is the model #2 bird and trout knife. And again, factory second. Saved myself some money. Full flat grind on this knife as well. But this is the stainless. There's #2 stainless flat grind. That's what that's for. There again, it says Flat Grind Canada. And this handle option is they call it the Extra, because it's extra water resistant. It is a resonated hardwood. So pretty much a stabilized hardwood, and they give it the nice rich wine color. So this one is called Extra Wine. And that was me when I saw it. It was like, I want it, I want one. Extra whining. So brass pins again, and once again, the copper lanyard tube looks really sharp in contrast to the handle. Now this blade stock on this one is just a hair thinner, as you can see, than the belt knife. The blade is just a bit shy in height, but in length they are identical. Just not as deep of a blade, not as thick as a blade. There is a little bit of flex in this one. Just a fantastic knife. These handles are designed so well. I can't even tell you how that feels in the hand. It's perfect. And I know this is a factory second, but I just can't see what the flaw is. Maybe a little tiny bit of an ugly grind there, but see, compared to that, maybe that's what it is. Could be, but I mean, other than that, I'm not seeing anything wrong with this knife. But I'll take it. So if you want a Groman, made in Canada, go to their website, check out their clearance section. That's where you find the factory seconds. And they've got all kinds. They've got 4 or 5 different handle materials available for this one. They've got some ram's horn on their skinners, and they're #1 right now. That's fantastic. So I don't know, maybe in a couple weeks you'll see another Groman on display here at Kitchen Table Studios. Not sure. Like I said, these are all Elwood K-Slice approved by Grohmann's. There you have it.